How to connect Google Map to car Bluetooth. First of all, turn on your Bluetooth connection. Now once the Bluetooth is activated, make sure that your car is ready as well, which means make sure your car Bluetooth is turned on as well as. Once you have rest, I swear at. Next thing that you need to do is turn on your Google Map. Now in the Google Map, navigate to the Google icon that is in the top right corner. From here navigate to the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see the option of navigation and click on it. In the navigation section, ensure the play voice over Bluetooth is toggle on, as well as the play voice during phone call is toggle on as well. What this will do, it will allow you to direction or navigation to be heard out from your car speaker itself, and it can guide you throughout your trips. Now if you require a visualization, you can download other applications such as Android Auto, which will not just navigate your application, but it will also help you to generate image in your car display. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.